पवन, ये माइक्रोसॉफ्ट एक्सेल और माइक्रोसॉफ्ट पावर बीआई में क्या फर्क है?
Microsoft Excel has a limitations, has some problems in that, whereas Power BI is the next version that's a Excel on steroids, I can say, for Power BI. Now, in the Microsoft Excel, you can pull data from limited number of data sources, let's say 20, 30, 40. Whereas in Power BI, you can pull data from 185 plus data sources. In Excel, you can create basic visuals, very less number of visuals, let's say 30 visuals. Whereas in Power BI, you can prepare 600 plus different visuals in Power. The AI features in Excel are not that great, but whereas in the Microsoft Power BI, artificial intelligence is integrated, and the recent one Copilot is doing wonders in Microsoft Power BI. The next part is you can publish the report and make it live in Microsoft Power BI, whereas in Excel, creating live reports, publishing and sharing with other people becomes a difficult challenge task over there. You can use the Microsoft Power BI on a mobile phone app, whereas in Excel, you do not have that feature that greatly available.